So once they start eating solid foods, try to give them a little bit of everything. But do they also need, if a kid is eating everything, they eat some meat, they eat some vegetables, they eat some proteins, carbohydrates, they eat some fatty food. Do you also need to supplement them with, for example, omega 3 or lecithin and things that produce choline on top of the regular milk and eggs and all that stuff that they're using?
I don't think that is needed because our regular food has plenty of supply to fill the needs, unless your child need a special thing. And one
Mm.
thing I want to tell you that which structure of the brain is made of carbohydrate? Nothing.
You need glucose for brain's energy.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
the point. So glucose is needed in a small amount to fulfill the needs of energy. So if we give excessive glucose, what it's going to do? It's going to convert into unhealthy fat and it will just create problems. So here is the catch. I am also culprit of it. My family, the kids, we go out eat. We eat biryani
Yeah.
and they eat fries, ketchup, and Coke, chicken nuggets.
And then we make them finish their bread too. If you have one roti, you have to finish it. And you have to finish your plate of rice. Otherwise, you can't do this or
Yeah.
that.
And the other thing, I think this is where we also went wrong when we were little. I don't want my kids to eat too much bread because there is not much in the bread. Bread is just sugar, and we have to develop this habit early on if we want to avoid later problems, because we human beings are basically we run by habits.
Yeah.
We hardly think whatever when we do something. We just go
Yeah.
whatever is in our brain pre-feeding, whatever is written in the script, we just go for it. So I want to give our audience this message that just understand the broader aspect of food and not the simple bread and sugars that we have to cut on. We will
As
talk about it.
Pakistanis, it's hard because my wife and I were thinking of weight loss and things like that. And
Yeah.
everyone tells you reduce bread, reduce rice. And I said, what else can we eat? What is it that we can eat without rice and without bread? And we couldn't think of a lot of options. So
Hmm.
the way we have been raised and we've been fed as a kid, it's hard to get rid of those old habits.
Yeah.